come across on the ferry, it's $61 return for the car and caravan. And the road is windy, I should say.
And tight.
It's tight and windy, and it's reminding me of the episode Big Oz Explorers did when they came up here, and Shaun was like, I'll be right to drive, and then she was doing all this stuff and she's like, never again. So now we're doing it. Obviously it's doable. People come up here with their caravans, and there's caravan parks up here, so
yeah, it's just tight, and at the moment I can't see much because of the rain.
yeah, it's raining.
Mummy's going to check in. Well, that drive is absolutely terrifying from the barge to pretty much to Cape Trib. Super windy, tight, and obviously not the best conditions outside. It's pouring down rain. So yeah, all those things combined really put the bloody wind at me. That was a tough drive. We didn't even have to drive far. I think it was like 40 kilometers or something. But you know, when you're battling like that sort of rain and tight, windy, that was tight for just cars. So with vans on, next level. But we made it here. I'm just dreading the drive back to the boat. So yeah, lucky we've got a couple of days to break it up.
Starstruck. Who did we just see on the track?
Started the Bloomfield track. We just bumped into
Shaun.
Full drive 24/7 crew, and yeah, they're all kitted up heading towards Cape York. So that was pretty cool. Just got to
random.
Got to say hi to Shaun and shake his hand and whatnot.
That was awesome.
Yeah. I noticed a couple of guys walking around with fairly big cameras, and I thought, oh, this has got to be someone.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's a full drive 24/7 crew, so that's awesome. That's unreal, eh?
I know. We're like, what the hell?
Yeah. I noticed I noticed the Mitts alloy 79 first, and then I was like, oh shit, that's big sooty. Yeah.
Crazy.
Awesome. Unreal.
Yeah, the boys.
Yeah, the boys.
A beach.
It's actually that bright when the sun's out because we're not used to it now. We haven't seen the sun properly in about a week, so it's hurting my eyeballs. Pretty bloody nice beach, eh? Hey? Surprising, eh? When you haven't seen the sun, when you haven't seen the sun in a week, how bright it is.
It's bloody bright.
Mom.
You heard it. Bloody bright.
Not bright. It's just a little bit bright.
Sadie, is it very bright?
It's just a little bit bright.
Where are you going?
Oh, this way.
You gonna go that way?
Yeah.
So I'm just doing this boardwalk on my own because it's quite wet and slippery, and it just sort of wasn't going to be very fun for Sadie. She hates like getting water in her shoes and all that sort of thing. So it's 1.2 kilometers return, so it shouldn't take me too long to do on my own. But yeah, it's actually stunning. Look at all this. It's so pretty. It looks man-made, like it's so perfect that it looks fake almost.
Alright, so today we spent a bit of time up in the Bloomfield track. It was super rainy, so we didn't really get to experience too much in there. Like, there's Imogen Creek, we did the water crossing, and we did another couple as well, which was sort of fun. But there's Imogen swimming hole, which we missed out on. It looks really nice. It's basically, it's the western side of Imogen Creek. You pull up there on the left and you can walk up the creek. It's about 500 meters to the swimming holes, and to be honest, probably too bloody cold for us anyway. We're not really into super cold swimming. I know Sadie's not anyway. But yeah, I mean, it was fun just to explore around Cape Tribulation. Did a couple of walks, which you guys would have seen. And yeah, this afternoon we just had a walk right up sort of to where the mangroves start up here. There's a river up there that apparently is full of crocodiles, and I did start to have a little bit of a wander around, but it freaked me out, mate. It was all like muddy and dark in there, and it was drizzling, and yeah, sort of perfect for the crocs but not for me, so I got the hell out of there. We do still have a full day tomorrow. I'm not sure what we'll get up to. Hopefully we'll find something to do, but I mean, it's good to just come over and just relax. Like, we've been sort of pushing a little bit up the east coast, and it has been good just to have not much to do, you know. Like, we've just got a couple of things in each spot that we've stopped that we wanted to see, and just this area is like unbelievable. So we've just been enjoying the area. We've chucked the barbecue light for the Ziggy, so now I can actually see what I'm cooking. It's white or yellow, or obviously you can have both, but yeah, pretty cool. Good morning. Another day here in paradise. Someone's had their fair share of coconuts there by the looks of it. We're still at Cape Trib camping, and I've been told that there's a river to fish down here, which is basically when you leave the little restaurants bar type thing. You just head out this way and you follow it off into the bush. So I'm gonna go have a look, have a little flick, but by all accounts there's a hell of a lot of crocodiles down here too, so I'll be keeping my wits about me, and I would be lying if I didn't say that I was not nervous, you know. There's after seeing the crocs on the boat, got a new respect for them. They hide very easily, and definitely feels like you're in their world when you're along those riverbanks and stuff. So, but yeah, there's been a lot of rain here, which makes it even more eerie, and that's where we're going, off into that little hole there. So much water around, which makes it feels so wrong just wandering around and knowing there's crocs out there. Oh, bloody thongs are flicking mud up everywhere. Alright, well this looks nasty to get through. See what I mean? It's very that's what it's like when the water settles here. So you don't know what you're walking into. Alright, I'm going to focus on what I'm doing for a bit, and I'll show you the river when we get there. Oh, keeps flicking all over me. Bloody pluggers, eh? I don't know, that looks like the perfect bloody launch pad for a croc to come flying up there, so I prefer to fish off something that's a little bit higher. And yeah, I'm not having any of that today. Even just that little floating log there scares me. Oh. Alright, well this looks like a good spot to have a fish. It's very clear, so I can see sort of in the water there. And I've got a bit of height that's about 1 metre up. So I'm gonna have a little flick around here. Hopefully nothing sneaks up on me. There's a nice little spot for a flick there. Fairly clear water. You can sort of see the bottom of the crab pot just down there. We'll move on to another spot, I think. No luck, guys. We'll wrap it up there, I think, for the fishing. Hey, still a bit of fun. Got to get out and enjoy it, eh? There's the mouth of the river just up there.